Hello, this is Smanto Day and welcome to my lessons, SD lessons. Today I would like to introduce practical geometry to the beginners, those who have just started playing with the compass. And for you, I have given you something. Now look at this. Try this figure. Can you do it with your compass? Can you make these petals? And if you can, I'm sure you can do all the angles, I mean the multiples of 60-degree, 120-degree, or the sub multiples of 60 like 30, 15. You can do it easily with your compass. So let me just first you check it well whether you can really do it or not. If not, then let me explain. Now let's see now. Okay, let's try. The first thing which you do is you take a compass. Let this end be the needle, this end be the pencil, and this is the compass. Imagine the pencil is here, here is the needle. Okay, so here is the needle, here is the compass. Now place the compass needle here in the center. Can you see that? Can you see that? Okay, here is the compass needle. Open the compass in such a way, open it in this way. You can make it wider and then make a circle. Make this circle. Okay, now next step, take a point here. Can you see this point? Take a compass there. Don't change the radius, keep this same radius, keep this same. You're not going to change it. Place it here and then draw this arc. Alright, now place it here, draw this arc. Now place it here, draw this arc. Now place it here, place the compass here, draw this arc. Now place the compass here, draw this arc. Place the compass here and draw this arc. If you complete the arc, you will get the figure which I have shown you. You'll exactly get it. Now, what do you learn from this? That we can only make circles with a compass. How many circles are there all total? Any guesses? Check it. In the center you can see one circle, and there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1 in the center and 6 circles all around. 7 circles with the same radius I have done. To get the flower, to get that petals. Let's see now. Okay, so far so good. Now suppose you draw a line here. You draw a line here. How much is that? How much angle is that? 60 degree. You draw another line here. So here is 60, another 60, 120 degree. You draw a line here. You get another 60, 180 degree. So 60 plus 60 plus 60, 180. You draw another line. You get 240. You draw a line. You get 300 and come back to the first line. You get 360 degree. So that means you can easily get the multiples of 60. What you can get? 60 degree. Then multiple 61 is a 60, 62 is a 120, 63 is a 180, 64 is a 240, 65 is a 300, and 66 is a 360 degree. So you get this. Now anything else we can do? What about this if I join this one? So let me change the color and show you. Now this is, say, the line which I have seen. This is 60. What about this one? What about this one? This will be half of 60, isn't it? It will be 30 degree. So from here, if you do this, and from here, if you do this, what are we doing? Actually, we are bisecting this angle. So half of 60 is 30 degree. Now, if you do the same thing, say from here, this one, and from here, this one, and if you join it, what about this? 30 plus 30 plus 30, 90. What about this? Plus 30, 120. What about this? Plus 30, 150. What about this? Plus 30, 180. Now this one. Plus 30, 210. Then this one. Plus 30, 240. Then this one. Plus 30, 270. Then this one. Plus 30, 300. Then this one. Plus 30, 330. And this one, 360 degree. So let me discuss something that's interesting. Let me discuss something else. So what we have seen is multiples of 60 and submultiples of 60, that is 30, 15. I haven't shown you 7.5, but we can do it. Try this flower, constructing this flower many a times. It will help you, because when I will teach you the various constructions, what we will do is this one only repeatedly. So let me show you another thing. Now let me take a line segment. Look at this line. Say this is A, this is B, and the length of the line segment is, say, 4.2 centimeter. If I tell you to draw a perpendicular bisector means if this is the line, there has to be another line which will be 90 degree to that, and this part has to be equal. Then it is called perpendicular bisector. Now, perpendicular bisector of the line segment AB. From A, you have to draw a circle like this with the same radius. From B, you have to draw another circle like this with the same radius. Don't change the radius. Actually, we don't make the whole circle, we just require this part where it crosses and this part. So this point and this point, if we join it, it becomes a perpendicular bisector. These 2 points are joined, you get a perpendicular bisector. Now this perpendicular bisector, we often get two types of questions. Sometimes you are asked, draw a line segment, get a perpendicular line from a point on the line, or get a perpendicular line from a point away from the line. So on the line and away from the line. Let me show you. Let me clear this screen. Now what I said, let me take a line segment, and we have to get a perpendicular line from a point, say P, on the line. So we place the compass at P and draw a circle like this. No need to complete the circle, just it needs to cut at two places, here and here. And with the same radius, or if you want to change the radius, you can place it here, draw an arc. No need to draw a big one, that much will do. And placing it here with the same radius, draw another arc. So what you do is now this point and this point, if you join, you will get a perpendicular line to AB. Now this one, suppose I mark this C and D. If I mark it, CD is perpendicular to AB. There may be another thing, another question. Suppose this is the line segment AB and this is AB, and here asks to get a perpendicular line from P, which is away from AB. In that case, again you take a convenient arc and draw a circle cutting at two places, here and here. Alright. Now you can change the radius if you want, and from this point, say C, you can make an arc this side, and this point, say D, you can draw an arc here. Now join P and this point here. So what do you get? You get another perpendicular line from a point P. So today this much. Another day I will do other things with practical geometry. You keep following. So bye children. Bye.